dirty sneakers? Don't worry. In the next 2 minutes, we will make them look fresh again. Grab a soft brush, mild soap, warm water, and a clean microfiber cloth. That's all you need to get started. Start by gently brushing away loose dirt and dust. Focus on the soles and edges without using too much pressure. Now, wipe the sneakers with a damp cloth to remove any remaining soap and reveal a cleaner finish. Look at that difference. Just a few simple steps can make your sneakers look almost brand new. To keep your sneakers fresh, clean them regularly, store them in a cool, dry place, and use a sneaker protector spray before wearing them. Want more sneaker care tips and styling ideas? Follow Zkicks and keep your sneaker game looking its best.